What's going on, beautiful people? It's a beautiful Sunday night over here. Right now, it is 4th of June, 23:51. Super excited to give you guys this breakdown on BTCUSD. So last week, we talked about a potential retracement anywhere to the 2022 183 to 24 296. And as of right now, we're still on this way to that area. So a few things can happen with BTCUSD. And this is on the weekly time frame, by the way. So right now it's still in a correction phase right now. As you can see right here. As you can see over here, we see that within the past few weeks, it's been giving us uh, a movement in this direction from, giving us this one, a lower high, lower low, and now it gives us another lower high. So basically, we're looking for that approach to come anywhere within this zone or even lower in order for us to have that appreciation, going towards the upside, or it can break below to give us a stronger retest over here on this zone area right here, anywhere in this zone. And the price level is on the right hand side. So we have 19666 and we have 13,830, 880. So basically, we're looking for BTC to retrace anywhere within this zone, right? Obviously, as you can see, it's on a correction phase right now. So once it's done correcting, it will come anywhere between this zone right here, in order for it to give us a continuation towards the upside, right? So that's just what we want to see right now, because previously in the past few weeks, it give us a solid demand zone, and after demand zone, it bounced off to hit the previous supply zone on the top side, which is why it's giving us a correction. However, if the buyers are super strong, it might just break above that zone, above the supply zone, to then eventually turn into a demand zone. So as of right now, we're just patiently waiting to see what the market does within the next upcoming weeks. Within that price zone, to see if it can give us that continuation towards the upside. And if you go to the daily time frame, for example, we can definitely see that price is really giving us that correction phase, and we're just waiting to see what it does now at this because if you see right here, this previously it was a resistance, resisted, resisted again over here, resisted again over here, but then it finally broke above. So what happens now, normally when that happens, is the market gives us a higher high and makes us a low. As you can see, it was lower than this low right here. So once that happens, that we have a new higher low and higher high. And then if you put a Fibonacci as well to give us a potential retracement to see where it could potentially retrace up to, we can see that this zone right here is a 50% and also give us a 61% right there. So if anywhere between this 50%, 61%, and my deadly zone right there, or anywhere between the 71, 78, and 88% zone, those are all areas that price can potentially retrace to in order for it to continue going bullish. That's if it wants to continue going bullish, or it can retrace and break below those areas, and clear that liquidity over here to continue to give us a bearish momentum, depending on what the market decides to do. So these are just some biases right now that the market can potentially do this week. That's why I have this R's right here. It can either have this continuation phase right here, or do this, or even go lower and break below to go, continue to reduce in price. So we're just going to see what the market has for us this week. So be patient and let's have fun with it. Let's go.